Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, the situation of the world, due to ignorance of the soul, they are creating so many sinful activities and becoming entangled. But they have no knowledge how they are becoming entangled. This is Maya's pratyavadmika shakti, avaranatmika. Although he is being entangled, but he is thinking that he is advancing in scientific knowledge. This is the gentleman was talking that he is a mining engineer. The mining engineer, his business is to make the atmosphere within the mine very comfortable. Just imagine, he has gone down within the earth, just like the mouse hole, and he is improving it. Mouse hole. After being educated, after getting degrees, his position is to enter into the dark, hole of the earth, and he is trying to scientific advancement by cleansing the air within the mind. He is condemned that he has been forced to give up the outer space, free air. He has been condemned to go into the within the earth, and he is proud of scientific advancement. This is scientific advancement. So, Manute Anartham, that is Vasudev, before writing Srimad Bhagavatam, under the instruction of Narada, he meditated. What is the position? Bhakti yoge manasi sammak pranihite amale apasyat purusam purnam mayancha tadapasitam. He saw, realized, there are two things, the Maya and Krishna. Mayancha apasitam, taking shelter of Krishna. This Maya cannot stand without Krishna. But Krishna is not affected by Maya, because Krishna is not affected as God. But the living entities, Jaya Samahita Jiva, the living entities, they become affected by the presence of Maya. Krishna is not affected. Just like the sun and the sunshine. Sunshine means combination of illuminating particles. That is sunshine. It is scientific too. Sparks, little atomic sparks, shining sparks. So similarly, we are also just like the shining sparks of Krishna. Krishna is compared with the sun. Krishna Surya Sama Maya Andhaka. Now when there is cloud, Maya, the sun is not affected. But the small particles, sunshine, they are affected. Just try to understand. Here is sun, and below, many millions of miles below, the cloud, and the cloud is covering part of the sunshine, which is combination of illuminating particles. So, the Maya or the cloud cannot cover the sun, but it can cover the minute shining particles. So we are affected. Krishna is not affected. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.